You're watching the 12 reports. Let's get on to politics, shall we? The fresh cracks are emerging within the African Democratic Congress, ADC, as members of the party in Gombe State have taken legal action against the national leadership. The suit filed by the state executives challenges what they describe as an attempt to remove them and 11 local government executives before the expiration of their tenure. And for more on this development, we're joined by our correspondent Joshua Imarayi live from Abuja, who has been following the case. Joshua, what more do you know about the suit?
Well, fresh impasse is brewing within the ADC as some disgruntled members of the ADC in Gombe State have dragged the national executive to court over what they describe as an alleged attempt to remove them before expiration of their tenure. What they are saying is that they were elected in 2022 to serve as state executive, and now the national executive of the ADC is trying to remove them, an action which they say is a gross violation of the party's constitution. These individuals, namely Kabiru Ahmad, who is the secretary of ADC in Gombe, and Alhaji Ahmadu, who is organizing secretary in Gombe, as well as Philemon Bala, who is the youth leader, as well as 11 others who are party chairmen of ADC in local government, are saying that the alleged action of the national executive of ADC to remove them is a gross violation of their constitution, saying that they cannot be removed until the expiration of their tenure, which is in 2026, or perhaps by due process, which is in conformity of the party's constitution.
Right. And has the national leadership of the party reacted to this challenge?
Of course they have. They reacted particularly in an objection, a plenary objection submitted to the court before Honorable Justice Suleiman Liman of the Federal High Court here in Abuja. And what they are saying is that the court does not have a legal standing to preside on this case, saying it is a party internal affair, and the exercise is more just like an academic exercise that will be up to no, that will bear no fruit or perhaps bring any action into fruition.
And what does this development now mean for the African Democratic Congress in Gombe? What's it looking like for them?
It shows that there's an intense infighting within the structure of ADC, because both parties who are being challenged, and now they can contested two parties executive in that state.
Joshua, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming on. Joshua Imarayi, our correspondent live from Abuja. There.